저도 이해가 안 돼서.
조선일보 직접 자료 만들어놨어요.
그 안에 녹취가 있고 이 문자가 있는데 그걸 왜 보도를 안 하셨어요?
본인이 동의하지 않았어요. 저희가 고소할 때 동의를 받고 해야 되는데 알려달라고 여러 번 의사를 물어봤는데 얘기하지 않더라고요.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
민식이야?